Bastoda assault.
It is nothing new that is happening in the state of Goa during the BJP regime. If you see the amount of crimes that are increasing, the murders, rapes, assaults, molestation, everything is on the rise. It is on the rise because the criminal are sure are on hand in glove with the cops. Duk zada, if you see a pregnant lady, 4-month baby, jaka assault zalo. Khas करून they seem to be linked to the members of the ruling party, and the ruling party members today are interfering in the investigation. आणि म्हाका दिसता आमचे ह्या कालूस बाब जो आमदारान प्रेस अड्रेस केलेलो आहा, and I think he has requested that the investigation officers should be shunted because he was hand in glove in protecting and these type of criminals. These people आज जेन्ना एक क्रिमिनला तुम्ही प्रोटेक्ट करता, what are you trying to show? They don't fear cops. So their law and order situation आहे वाडत जातले, and this is happening for the first time in Goa. If you see incidents आमी जे उलयताले स्टॅटिस्टिक्साचे उलयताले, पण प्रत्येक दिसाक एक मर्डर, एक रेप, एक एक्सिडंट. सो हे सगळ्यांचो राज म्हाका दिसता whether Goa is become a banana republic हांव सदांच म्हणटा, things are going from bad to worse. The culprits have to be nabbed and they have to be treated as per the law. Do not keep them at your house. Do not give them any special treatment, because आज हे फाल जरी तर तुक जाता, फाल आमकांय जावपाक शकता, सगळ्यांकूय जावपाक शकता. सो म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय there seems to be a crisis within the home department, and this crisis is nothing new. It has been happening for a long time, and the guilty have to be taken, guilty have to be shown the way. लॉवान कितें आहा तें दाखोवपा जाय. आनी खास करून हांव मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगपाक सोदतां की जेन्ना होम पोर्टफोलियो इज अंडर यू, इट सिम्स टू बी श्रिंकिंग. This Goa has never seen such type of jungle raj. मागीर भायले मनशाचे घालता. Who has to भायले मनशान केलें म्हूण सांगताय? Who has to anticipate this? There's a failure in terms of intelligence, failure, rise in crime. So completely jungle raj. Goa is turning into a jungle raj.
There is no use.
अशें आयकपा येता they are linked with BJP कार्यकर्ता.
See, whether they are linked with BJP कार्यकर्ता, Goa wing, national wing, or whichever wing, a criminal is a criminal, and they have to be taken to task when they are basically abusing and ill-treating a woman who's pregnant. They have absolutely no shame for doing such thing, and such culprits have to be booked.
Yuri, हितून पुलीस ऑफिसर सुद्धा इन्क्लूड आहा म्हणटा.
पुलीस ऑफिसर आहा जाल्यार सस्पेंड करपाक जाय. इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर कालुसान डिमांड केला, and I believe that he has called them again just before this meeting. He had called them again, inquired with the DGP that whether that officer will be suspended or what. He has assured us, so we are waiting for what action is being taken.
Yuri, don't you think people are taking law and order for granted? Because we have seen a lot of issues, law and order situation.
No, 100%. Why they are taking it for granted? Because they know that the police are hand in glove with them. All these incidents of drugs, rapes, robberies, murders, these are happening because of the police station. SP सांगता मरे सर्क्युलर आलो, कितें आसलो सर्क्युलर? पुलीस थिंगा गांजा घेताय, मग गांजा तेंगे न्हिदताय थिंगा. पुलिसूय जरी तर गांजा घेता जाल्यार मागीर सेक्युरिटी आनी कितें वतली, आनी तेंका कोण ते गांजा दिता? गोइंग्स ऑफ पाब्लो एस्कोबार कोण? हो आयडेंटिफाय जावपा जाय पयलो.
And how you see Govt and CM episode?
See, we have said whatever, it is the prerogative of the chief minister. It is the prerogative of a chief minister. We have said in the past, allegations of corruptions against several ministers, we have proved, but nothing happens. With Kala Academy itself, we went there. We said that who has to take the responsibility? Someone has to take the responsibility. Finally, changing a minister is not my prerogative, but definitely we will see where the people looking at the way things are transpiring, that definitely there will be a change in 27. That I can tell you for sure. This government will be dismissed by the people of Goa.
How you will react on BJP celebrating 11 years of their...
See, 11 years, what has happened, what was promised? 11 years, the first promise was तुमकां 15 लाख मेळटले म्हणून सगळ्यांक. हांवूय रावता, तुयी रावता, सगळे रावता, खूंय गेले 15 लाख. 15 लाख कहाँ गया? मागीर गब्बर सिंग टॅक्स हाडलो, GST हाडलो, डिमॉनिटायझेशन केलें. कोणाक त्रास जाले? बारीक लोकांक त्रास जाले. इतले कोट्यांनी पयशे स्वीस अकाउंट आहाय हुंय हाय ते आटले म्हणून सांगले. कोणाचे? कितें जालें? सगळे हे मोदी, मालिया हे सगळ्यांक तांकां भायर धाडले. आज 11 वर्सांत गरीब आहा तो गरीब जायत आहा आनी गिरेस्त आहा तो गिरेस्त जायत आहा. अडानी जो खंयच्या नंबराचे आहलो तो खबर ना म्हाका, आतां पयल्या नंबराचे आहा. कितें आहा? 11 वर्सांत आमगेले सगळे जे एसेट आहले जावं एअरपोर्ट, पोर्ट हे सगळे इंकून काडले. हें कितें जालां? where have we progressed? What is the rate of a dollar today? What was the rate then? What was the rate of petrol? What was the rate of kando? What was the rate of potato? What is the rate now? Absolutely chaos. Things are gone from bad to worse, especially in the state of Goa. Mining बंद जालें. मायनींग आज सुरवात जातली, फार सुरवात जातली, सुरवातूच जायना. आज टुरिजमा हाल जाताय, गोंयकार एकमेकांक झगडटा, म्हादयच हाल जाता. गोवा कॉम्प्रमायज जाला, म्हादय उदकाचें कॉम्प्रमायज जालें, वयता थिंगा करप्शन वाडलां. हर घर जल जाला गोंयांत. येला नोळा उदो येला, ही अचिवमेंट.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.